Hello, this is my third video. I just knitted these undergarments. Now let's go back to the cottage. Oh dear, my cottage has been massacred. Noob. What kind of bush is that? No leaves. Harold, is that you? I haven't seen you in a while. It's quite sweaty out here. Let me buy one of those towels you wear on your noggin. What did you do? Misplace your magic carpet? Harry, the camel. By the way, do these undergarments make me look chubby?
Rock.
Pony?
The end. The end is near. I will fall to my knees and make like the breeze and blow my Johnson. Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Get it started, get it started. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Standing next to my Boy Scout friend. Yeah, 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 yeah. He's a noob. Yeah. Shake my ass, ass, ass. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sucking on my titties like you wanted me, calling me all the time. Yeah. Uh-oh, I got fans going. Uh-oh. To the groove, to the groove. I'm naughty, I'm real naughty. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Yeah.